Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel My Research Support. So friends, today we'll be discussing about total 19 fraud or clone journals, and these journals are exactly matching with few Scopus and Web of Science Index journals. What does it mean? Exactly matching means you will find that journal name is similar, ISSN number is similar, scope of this particular journals is also similar, and even language will also be similar. And the most important point, SEO is very strong. SEO means search engine optimization. Means if I have to submit my research article to any of these journals, then I'll search that journal name on the Google search engine. In that case, you will find that at the first link or second link itself will redirect you to this cloned or fraud journals, and the original journal may be lying at the third place or even more than that. So there is very high possibility that you will submit your research articles to this clone journal rather than submitting to this original journals. But yes, there are some differentiating points. This will differentiate original journals from these clone journals. So in today's video, we'll be discussing the names of these 19 journals along with the original journals, and we'll also comment on the differentiating points so that you will be able to identify the original journal and you will be able to submit your research article in this original journal. So let's move towards the list. As you can see here on the left side, you will find journals in UGC Care Group 2. All these journals are either Scopus indexed or Web of Science Index journals, and these are the clone journals, or we can say these are the duplicate journal exactly matching with these original journals. So moving towards the first source, which is the journal name is Adalya, and Adalya journal. See, journal is added. So if this word is there, then you have to be ensure that this is a clone journal. This journal is for these three languages, Turkish, German and English, and this is only for English language. So publisher is given. Here publisher is not allotted. Then ISSN number, it is exactly similar. Okay, and most of the journal differentiate in this point, URL or website of that particular journal. So 95% journals are having different websites. So if you are submitting your research article to this website, then you have to be ensured that you are submitting to the right journal. If the journal website is this, then you have to ensure that this journal is clone journal or rather duplicate journal. The second journal is Ogium, same journal is added. This is basically for French language, but you will find that this clone journal is for English language. This is Peter's Publishers, whereas here no publisher is allotted. ISSN number is most of the time ISSN number is same. Then yes, you have to be ensured that the website or the URL should be this. Okay. Third journal, Bulletin Monumental, same method is followed, journal name is followed in the title itself. Language French, this is English language, whereas this ISSN number is also exactly similar. Okay, this URL is also different, so you have to refer this URL. Then fourth journal, duplicate journal is GIS Science Journal, whereas the original journal name is this, and this is basically for German language, and whereas this duplicate journal you will find that it is also open for English language. These parameters are same, and as we said, URL or website URL is different. Fifth journal, High Technology Letters. This is basically for Chinese language and English language, whereas this is High Technology Letters. The journal name is exactly same. Okay, language is yes English language, but there is no any Chinese language. This is the publisher, Institute of Scientific and Technical Publisher. Sometimes the publisher may also be same. This is only for the name, and they use this name on their website. Then this ISSN number is same, and this URL is different. You have to submit your article through this URL. Then the next journal, duplicate journal, Journal of Shanghai Jiaotong University. See, this name is also same. Okay, sometimes you will find that here science is added in the bracket in the title itself, whereas there is no word science is displayed here in this bracket of this duplicate journal. Language is same, this ISSN is same, whereas you will find this URL is different. Then 7th journal, Journal of Xi'an University of Architecture and Technology. The title is same. This journal is especially for Chinese language. However, this journal is accepting the research articles from English language as well. ISSN number is same, but this is different URL. Almost in many cases URL is different, so you have to submit your research article through this URLs only. Then 8th journal, Novi Mir, whereas research journal, these two words are added. This is especially for Russian language, whereas this journal will accept the research articles in English language as well. ISSN number is same and this is different, URL is different. Then 9th journal, Pai Deuma, here also these three words are added, Journal of Research. This is again for same language, English. ISSN number is same, this is different. Then Proteus, journal word is extra added, language is same, this ISSN number is same, however this URL is different, so you have to refer this URL. Next title, Seabold report, the title is same, language it accepts articles from English language, here is also same, this ISSN is also same. So you have to observe this URL, it looks like similar URL, but instead of this report in this duplicate journal, only this journal name is added, that is the only difference. Then next, Studio Rosenthaliana, here also in bracket you will find these words are added extra, okay, or this name is same. Then this original journal accept Dutch, English and Hebrew language, 3 languages, whereas this journal accepts only English language. This ISSN number is same and this URL is also different, you can observe this URL as well, okay. Then this STRAD, whereas STRAD research is a duplicate journal, English. ISSN number is same and this is also, this URL is also same. Then title, Offen and Kostemkunde, this is same, name is same, language it is especially for German and English, it is only for English. This ISSN number is same and this URL is again different. So URL is almost in all journals, URL is different, so we have to submit the articles through this URLs only. Then 15, Journal of Xi'an University, this Scopus index journal and the name is same, but this journal is especially for Chinese language, means this journal doesn't accept any research articles from English language, but this duplicate journal will accept from English language. This URL is same, but you have to refer this URL, sorry, this ISSN is same, so you have to refer this URL, this is the right URL. Then the duplicate journal name is Kothari journal, however this is the original journal title, so you have to refer this only. It is especially made for Dutch language, but this duplicate journal accepts English language because this journal knows that most of the articles is in English. So this is also same and you have to refer this URL, this is very important. 17, Das Zeichen, okay, here journal word is added, it is for German language, it is for English language and this URL is also different. Then this title, Lino, the actual name is written in this way, however duplicate journal will be writing the word in this way. It is especially for 2 languages, Spanish and English, this is for English language and you have to refer this original journal URL. And the last journal, which is La Pensée, this journal title publishes French articles, however this Pensée, this is a duplicate journal will accept research articles from English language. So this is a right URL that you can refer to submit your research articles. So now we'll discuss from where you can download this list. So as I said, you have to just go to the UGC Care website. I have given the link, this link in this video description. You can refer to that link, and whenever you will move towards the home page, so this is the home page, so you have to just click list of clone journal and group 2. We know that all the Scopus and Web of Science index journals falls under this category. So you have to just click on this group 2 so that you will see this list, and you have to keep in touch with this website, because after specific intervals UGC Care used to update this list of clone journals. So whenever, see, there are many journals, many clone or duplicate journals are there, but whenever the journals are found, the list will be published. So you have to be in touch with it so that you will be getting a latest list of clone journals. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this information will help you in your future research endeavor. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get latest research updates. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.